10 years after Dieselgate, there are still millions of cars on EU roads that emit dangerous levels of toxic chemicals into the atmosphere. And this is having a huge impact on our health. But what was Dieselgate? Volkswagen and other car makers were selling diesel cars that were fitted with a software that could recognise when emissions tests were being carried out and reduce emissions accordingly. During a test, the technology would work perfectly. But as soon as the test was over, those controls would switch off and the car would spew nitrogen oxides into the air. These chemicals are at the core of the problem. What makes them so dangerous for our health? Let's break it down. A new report highlights that nitrogen oxide, which comes from diesel car exhausts, is highly toxic. It contributes to the creation of nitrogen dioxide, which in turn leads to the formation of particulate matter and ozone. These substances linger in the atmosphere for weeks, especially in densely populated areas and closer to the ground where people breathe. That has a devastating effect on people's health. Nitrogen dioxide is responsible for around 98,000 new cases of asthma in children. Particulate matter is the cause of thousands of cases of chronic lung disease, diabetes and strokes. In total, more than 200,000 deaths will be caused by diesel exhaust fumes in the EU and the UK between 2009 and 2040. Watch this week's episode of Arte Europe Weekly to find out more.